Hello and welcome everyone. Thank you for connecting with me and watching this video. So in this video I am going to introduce you 5 most important healthcare equipment recommended for every house. Considering the scenario of today's world, we cannot rely on any hospital or clinic for the checkup. So to keep the track of our health or even at the time of emergency, we should keep this equipment handy at our home to avoid any kind of emergency and start simple home remedies that has been provided in the video. These equipments are not only cheaper at prices but also easily available, and the link of all the product has been provided in the description of this video. Before going on any of this equipment, I would like to tell you these healthcare equipments are recommended because problems like blood pressure, blood glucose, fever, oxygen or weight problem has become very common in our daily life, and to keep track of our health we need these equipment at our home. So let's begin. Number 1. Blood pressure measuring machine. Stages are as for normal, systolic is less than 120 and diastolic is less than 80. For high blood pressure, that is hypertension, stage 1, systolic 140 to 159 and diastolic is 90 to 99. For hypertension, stage 2, systolic is 160 or higher and diastolic is 100 or higher. Emergency care or hypertensive crisis, systolic is higher than 180 and diastolic is higher than 110. In home remedies, we can take a drumstick leaf powder will be helpful, or we can give a pinch of cinnamon water or a cinnamon stick, or we can even give a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of lukewarm water. Number 2. Blood glucose monitor. If fasting is 80 to 100, so 120 to 140 is considered as normal. If blood glucose in fasting is 101 to 125 and after 2 to 3 hours of eating is 140 to 160, it is considered as impaired glucose, and or it can also be called as pre-diabetic. And if the blood glucose level in fasting is above 126 and after 2 to 3 hours of eating is 200 plus is considered as a diabetic, and a proper diet is needed. To combat immediate diabetic problem, we can start taking raw vegetable salad or citrus fruit, or we can take or a glass of apple cider vinegar. Number 3. Pulse oximeter. Oximeter chart as shown, 95 to 100 is considered as normal, 91 to 95 can be concerning, or less than 90 is a low oxygen level, and 80 to 85 is low saturation and can affect the brain, or if 67 or less is a cyanosis problem and should be taken a major care. At home, we can sleep in a prone position or few pinch of ginger water. Weighing machine. After calculating our BMI, we can classify our BMI, and if we fall in underweight, we can take more and more of protein and start the strength training and weight training. And if we fall in the category of overweight or obesity, we can start taking more and more of raw vegetables, fruits, salads, and drink more water, and even go for walk every day. Number 5. Temperature monitoring machine. Fever is generally considered as harmless and it resolves by its own, but for the immediate care, we can start taking fresh coconut water or fruit juices. So these were 5 healthcare equipment which we must keep at our home for any immediate help. For watching more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have healthy life ahead.